Dry and flaky scalp is a common complaint these days. It not only leads to itching, but it can be annoying and embarrassing as well. In this video, we talk about what are the causes of dry and flaky scalp, how to prevent it, and finally, how to treat it. So the commonest cause of dry and flaky scalp is something known as dandruff, or excessive dandruff can lead to excessive flakiness. Dandruff is physiological in the age group of say 13 to 24, 25 years. But if you are flaking after 25 years of age, it could also be sometimes an indicator of skin deep issues. Number two, if you're using a lot of hair cosmetics or treatments like Minoxidil, they may cause flaking of scalp. Minoxidil causes flaking by it getting deposited or crystallized on your scalp. If you are a minoxidil user, you can go for alcohol-free minoxidil, but still you might have to wash your scalp more often. As I said, a lot of products, styling products, mousses, gels, they cause accumulation on the scalp, leading to a grime, which may also cause scalp inflammation, which can cause flakiness. Excessive oily scalp can also lead to flakiness if it is too severe to induce inflammation. As popularly believed, oiling your scalp in a dry and flaky scalp could only worsen it, except in special circumstances where the scalp is overtly dry and dehydrated because of lack of moisture, and in dry skin type patients. If you have oily skin and if you have oily hair and still you see flakiness, this is definitely something more sinister. Now, how to prevent dry and flaky scalp? As I said, it's very important that you cleanse your scalp thoroughly. Apply the shampoo more on the scalp than on your hair. Keep it for a couple of minutes and wash it off thoroughly. Do not heap up or bundle up your hair when you wash your hair. We've grown up, seeing, a lot of toweled up or bundled up hair on the head of the women, which is a big no-no from a dermatologist. Make sure that your hairs are falling down on your shoulders when you take a head bath. The soap suds are enough to cleanse your hair. It is the scalp that requires a thorough cleansing. If you are a gym goer, you might have to wash your scalp more often. Also, avoid shampoos which contain a lot of conditioning agents if you are having dry, flaky scalp. You have to condition, remember, the hair, not the scalp. If you have a dry skin type and you are having flakiness on the head, oiling your scalp once in a while would make more sense to me. Also remember, if sometimes there are deficiencies in a patient, that may also induce flaking of the scalp. If you are gaining weight, that may also lead to flaking of scalp. How to treat a flaky scalp? Please choose a shampoo which is pH balanced. Just like your skin, your scalp has a very delicate pH of 5.5. Make sure your shampoo is pH balanced. You can go in for a daily or everyday shampoos which are meant for daily use. Avoid 2-in-1 shampoos. Avoid putting conditioners or heavy serums on your scalp. Make sure you use a shampoo containing selenium sulfide, which is my favorite ingredient, very popular, but my favorite ingredient when it comes to a flaky scalp. If you're shampooing your hair so often, make sure you also use a conditioner and use a hair oil before you go in for your head bath. If still the flakiness persists, it's possibly time to go and consult your dermatologist to rule out the cause and give you some prescription-based ingredients to manage your dry and flaky scalp. Please post your comments and questions in the comment section below, and I would be more than happy to help you.